I think I'll officially be an adult once I can keep a real plant alive, because there are a lot of plants in this room, and you know how many are real? Zero of them. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome to my finally freaking room tour. I have been in this house for almost a year now, and it has taken me until today to put up my last piece of wall art, only because I knew Matt was coming over at 11 to film this, and I put it up at like 10:30, and now we're here and now we're doing it. So it's taken me a solid like 11 months to put this all together, and it's so clean. I'm gonna give myself about like 4 days to keep it this way, but it looks great, and I'm so excited to show you around. P.S. Happy Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, Christmas is in 2 days, and just letting you know, you'll see me on actual Christmas for a what I got for Christmas haul, so I'll be seeing ya in like 2 days. And this week's upload schedule is gonna be a little bit different, I think, with the vlog. Not entirely sure. I'm gonna take a little bit of vacation. I will keep you guys posted on socials, and let's just get into the room tour. Okay, so starting off with the bed. I spend more time than I would like to admit right here. And I feel like y'all already know that I have a mild pillow problem. So I'm not gonna lie, they don't normally look this neat, but I do love having a ton of decorative pillows. This one is from Target, Urban, Hobby Lobby, Target, and Urban Outfitters. And also my favorite spot for duvets and bedding is also Urban Outfitters. They don't do a Cali King, which is what this bed is, so don't love that, but I have at least 3 that I kind of just swap out on a routinely basis. The bed itself is from Wayfair, and I was looking for a super specific like chestnutty wood, because it matched the frames, which I actually got first, which probably wasn't the best idea. Like I probably should have gotten the bed first and then matched the frames to the bed, but went the opposite way. Anyway, it ended up working out. This one says stay a while, and this one's just like a paint stroke one, which I probably could have DIY'd, but it was super cute, and those are both from Society 6. And then these 2 side tables, one on each side, are both from Wayfair, and couldn't match the wood, but it's okay. And I have overhead lighting, and I'm still thinking about maybe getting some side table lamps, because these don't really give off any light because these are fake plants, but either way, they're super cute. And then this wall right here with these little planters, I actually got this idea from Alicia and Ashley's house, because their entryway has an amazing display of like, I don't know, maybe 20 of these. So I actually had 2 of these from my last apartment, and then just ordered 3 more, and then filled them up with fake succulents, because your girl cannot keep a plant alive to save her life. So it's just like a cute little offset pattern situation of different succulents. Okay, so I've got 2 more hanging plants up here, because I feel like I needed some like more dimension ceiling wise. So again, more fake plants. I think I'll officially be an adult once I can keep a real plant alive, because there are a lot of plants in this room, and you know how many are real? Zero of them. And then I have this amazing wall hanging that Mia got for my birthday, handmade in Hawaii, which is so cool. She has a super similar one in her room. This is like, you know, maybe something for DIY Master one time, but it's my favorite. It's so big and cute, and this would be $1 bajillion at Urban Outfitters, but like, it's better for Mia. Okay, so this is where I do my makeup every day. It wasn't like the most ideal placement. Like I would have liked to have it on that side instead, but there's a window right here from my balcony. So the lighting is pretty bomb. So I do my makeup here every day, and it normally looks nothing like this. Let's set that straight right now. Never looks like this, but for today, looks great. Super clean. So I have most of my everyday products on this side, palettes and highlighters here, old foundations, and like trade-in stuff for Max trade-in program on this side. Brushes that definitely need to be cleaned. Please avert your eyes from all of these dirty brushes. And moving on, we have cute things up here. This is a DIY Master, and it's going strong. Honestly, I get so many compliments on this thing, and I'm like, I made that. I did it. And then this is from Urban, and this is also from Urban. Honestly, I think Urban Outfitters home decor stuff is super affordable. And then I have 2 more fake plantaroonies up there that just thrive with no water. I am not even entirely sure how to talk about this little corner over here. It's just like a combination of cute things mixed in with functional things to distract from how unorganized the functional things are. So these are just baskets of beanies and mittens, scarves, hats, rose gold Mickey ears for your, you know, annually trips to Disneyland. But like, this has no purpose. This is a Lego laurDIY and a Lego moose. All my jewelry, watches, bracelets, necklaces is up here. I have like 1 pair of earrings that I shoved through my ears one time for a photo shoot from Liv and Jess. Shout out Tiffany. And then other than that, it's just sunglasses, accessories, and then cute things on this side of the fireplace, because on that side, it's not the same width, which kind of drives me a little bit crazy. Anyway, I decided to just make them totally different corners since they're obviously not symmetrical. So I have one of these like adult chaise lounges. Oh, so inflexible. If I was Remy or Mia, this leg would be straight up in the air, but it's not. I've always kind of felt like these are adult things to have in your house. What is this thing called? A chaise lounger? Is that a sun chair? I don't know what that's, what is this? I don't even know. But it's one of those like adult couches that are just for show that no one actually uses. So I've got that in this corner, a fake tree that I've tricked so many people into thinking those bananas are real.
I thought that was real. When
Everyone is
I was like,
yo, you got a banana tree? True. They're fake. But this is a cute little section that never gets used, but makes me feel like a true adult. One of the major selling points for this house too was that there was a fireplace in the bedroom, which I don't actually know how to turn on, but for the aesthetic, is great. And also this TV came with the house, and I've never had a TV in my bedroom, which is like a thing growing up that I never had, so I'm not in the routine of ever watching TV before bed, but looks great. Might swap it out for some art at some point in my life, but wow, Moose just slid into the biggest sploot of his life. This is Moose's favorite splooting rug. Many a sploots have happened here. And then I have this really cute iridescent little garland, which I feel like is probably made for birthday parties and stuff, but it's an all year round thing at the LAUR headquarters. These are from Target, and I feel like everyone kind of has them. It's from like the cute little section of Target's decor line. And then this mirror has been at every apartment I've had living in LA. It's the IKEA one. It was like $100 and it's a bomb mirror. And then next to it I just have a few hooks that have hoodies and robes and stuff that I wear frequently. Guys, look at this, some OG DIY squad merch. But like, new merch, old merch, new merch, old merch. Both cute. And then my closet is right there, but it's just like not in the greatest state right now. It's honestly just like a disaster. I haven't unpacked from the Big Bear trip. We'll save that for another video, but I've decided to include the master bathroom because the master bathroom is like pretty stunning. I'm not even gonna lie. I walked in for the first time and I was like, and then I bought the house. So let's go to the master bathroom. Welcome to the master bathroom. This bathroom is bougier than anything I will ever need, want, work towards. This is the nicest thing I probably have in my life is this bathroom. It's marble, there's 2 sinks, there's a giant mirror. And you know what? This is a first world problem for sure, but I kind of miss my little tiny claustrophobic shower because I feel like it stays warmer in there. But it's a great shower. It's like one of the rain head ones, so it's just like, psh, and it's really nice. Also, if anyone needs a bath bomb, hit your girl up because I have more bath bombs than I can ever consume at even just, you know, a frequent bathing bathtub rate. This is maybe 15% of my bath bombs that I have in my house right now. So if you need a bath bomb, Matt, let me know.
Got it.
Girl up. So I've kind of claimed this sink, I think just because it's closer to the doorway maybe. Teeth, skincare. I've just got this little bin of like my straightener, my curling iron, which I don't really know how to use, and my hair dryer, all my skin routine stuff. If you guys want to see an updated skin routine, also let me know because my skin has just come so freaking far. So I'd love to show you guys what I've been using. So that's kind of right here is the everyday stuff. That's a lie. I only really use like 3 things every day. Kind of a product hoarder, if I'm being honest. Hair stuff, mirrors, some of the little bubble sticks from Lush, and then the second sink that just really never gets touched. So it's just over there looking clean and empty. So sad. You may recall that time that we recreated the Ariana Grande photo in this bathtub, but honestly, I am just like such a frequent bather. I don't want to say bather because I'm hygienic, but like a bathtub user. And I didn't have one at my last apartment, so when there was one here and it was like a little egg one, I was so excited. So I probably take a bath like at least 3 times a week. See what I mean about the whole bath bomb thing? Like I should technically be able to go through them, but it's just not happening. Anyways, this bathtub is amazing. Moose gets his baths in here, and then the bathtub gets cleaned, and then I take my baths in here, and it's great. I have one of these little tumbler, freaking, that was the worst sound, reading stands. Do I really read? Not really. Do I put my phone on here and watch YouTube videos? Yeah, I do. And then I've got a little stand here that just has more bath bombs, a whole bucket of face masks. Matt, you need a face mask? Hit us up. I got a lot. And then just some more facial products that I haven't really been using or are planning on testing. And then the shower, which is, again, just so massive, but it's so nice that everything's just like marble. I'm super into that. Oh, and the toilet. Let me just make sure this is like in a good state right now. Welcome to the toilet room. It's literally just like a small room with a toilet and a squatty potty and some Cottonelle butt wipes because hygiene. I kind of like having the bathroom or like the toilet in a separate room and keep all of this just to itself. I feel like I have nothing else to say about this room. Okay, let's leave. So I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour and master bathroom tour. I have such a clean room right now and I love it so much. I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of hidden stuff on just like shelves where things were looking a little cluttered or like didn't have an actual spot. So I'm gonna go unhide all that stuff, but yeah, everything's really clean and it's really nice and it's just not used to it. It's a new feeling for sure. If you haven't already entered my Christmas giveaway, you have a few more days to do so. There's the group squad giveaway and also the LAUR days giveaway, so make sure to go enter both of those. I'll have links in the description box below. I will see you guys on Christmas Day for a what I got for Christmas haul, and then again at some point this week for a weekly vlog, I'm thinking. I don't know, stay tuned. I'll let you guys know on social media. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on, what day is Christmas? I'll see you guys on Tuesday for what I got for Christmas haul again on another song. DIY. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know